Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, my eyebrows are done. So today I'm just going to be doing something really simple. That's the idea, yeah. So yes, let's just get into the tutorial. I'm just going to go ahead and take this concealer and just prime my eyelid. I'll be dipping my brush inside. Going on my setting powder, I'm just going to use that to set my brows, set my concealer on my eyes. So I'm going to be taking one of the oldest palette that I have had. I'm taking this brown shade, just mixing these two shades basically together for my transition color, putting that in my crease. I love this shade like so much. I love this palette as well. Taking a bigger blending brush, I'm just going to blend out the edges, blending it towards my brows. Next, I'm going to be building with this teary shade, this purple shade, this brown shade, and the black, just for more definition. I'm mixing basically teary shade. I'm mixing them together and just going into this outer part. Next, I'm going to go in with just the black and just, put that at the end point. I'm going to go in with this cream shade, and this brown shade, and just mix that in my lid. Yes, I'm just gonna go ahead and fix my lashes off camera and I'll be right back. So the lashes I'm currently using is from the Red Sherry and it's in the number 160. So yes, my lashes are done. Taking my Ocean's Black pencil. This is a different mixture of foundation. I've got, okay, let me just explain. This foundation is what is inside this pump. I like this pump because it just moves all the product down to where you actually need it. That's why I actually removed the foundation there to this point. So this is my Melanin foundation in my black opal True Color Pop Perfecting Liquid Foundation container. I'm going to take my damp sponge and just blend the foundation more. With the same concealer I use on my brows, which is the Black Opal Total Coverage Concealing Foundation in the shade Heavenly Honey. Basically, I'm priming underneath my eyes, my cubic bone, my chin, and the bridge of my nose and my forehead. I'm just going to blend a bit with this brush before I go in my setting with my sponge to just do my final blends. Before I go in and set my concealer, this is one of my favorite routine of just moving, shifting and everything. I will just go ahead and contour every point of my face that I will normally contour with my powder before I go in and set my face with my setting powder. So I'm going in with the darkest shade from my please ignore this. I'm going in with the darkest shade from my Tara palette. Second to darkest shade, I'm just using that to contour my face. I'm just going to use my hand to just pinch the brush like this and go in ahead and contour my nose. Taking my face powder, Melanin, I'm just blending my entire face, like pressing the powder in to remove the excess powders as well. I'm just going to go in with my eyeliner and just do some extension. Guys, I went in with the Anastasia Bravely Hills. I didn't take note that my camera wasn't. I took this shade called Bubbly and highlight my face, my cuticle, the bridge of my nose and my forehead. I'm going to take this smaller brush and taking the shade Dripping in Gold and just put that. I forgot I already had an eyeliner on. And just put that at the top point. Nothing too much, guys. I'm taking this classic lipstick in the shade Thunder. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's Thunder. In the shade Thunder, and I'm just going to use that to line my lips. So I didn't want to go with this shade all over my lip, but I just needed something different. What do you guys think? I'm taking this lip gloss by Banos number 4 and just putting that in the center of my lips. I'm going to take my setting spray, the green tea setting spray, and just spray that. This is the aloe vera mix. So yes guys, this is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed filming. Don't forget to subscribe guys. Please take a moment to just subscribe, like, share, comment and subscribe. Yes guys, and follow me on my social media platform. They're gonna be down in the description bar. I love you more, but God loves you most. I'm feeling this bold lip though, like I don't hear bold lip like that, but I'm feeling this way.